Hey guys, so today I want to show how to use the attributes in the HTML. So the attributes provide additional information about HTML. So first we need to open the Sublime Text editor by search in the start menu by type the Sublime Text and press enter, and here it is a simple application. It is a simple text editor. So first we need to create a new file by click the file, a new file, and change the plain text to the HTML because we want to write the code in HTML. So it is to create the HTML structure, we need to write the HTML and press the tab, and it is a structure. So in the title, set the attributes. So the all HTML elements can have attributes, and the attributes provide additional information about one element. So the attributes are always specified in the start tag. So for example, we want to write a paragraph in the web page. So P, this is a paragraph, and close this tag. This is a tag. This is a tag, and save this file, for example, for the desktop, and the name will be index, and the type is HTML, and the file will be index.html, and save this file, and here is the file. So when open this file in the browser, and this is a paragraph. So this is a tag, and the paragraph is always specified in the start of the tag. So for example, if you want to change this title, so the title will be, for example, this is a title, and the value of the title attribute will be displayed as this is a title when your mouse is over the paragraph. So save this file and reload this page, and the mouse is over the paragraph will display this text. So this is a tag, and this is attributes. So if you want to open a new web page, for example the Google, so we first need to write this is a tag, and this is an attribute in the tag, and will be equal, and here we need to set, the address. So for example the Google, so in the search type the Google and copy this address to the Sublime Text and paste here, and for example the text will be the Google. Save this and reload this file, and when click to the Google, we open a new page. So this is a tag and this is an attribute. So for example, we want to open a picture in the net. So in the Google, type the picture and choose the picture, and for example we need to we want to open this picture. So copy this this image address by click to the right and copy image address, and create a new hashtag and set the address with the image, and close this tag, and this, for example, the text will be a picture, and save this file and reopen this site again. Yeah, so we need to set a break with the Google by type the BR. Yeah, so when the reload this file, the picture is here and we open a picture. So for example, we want to change this width and height. So in the attribute we need to write the width, and for example this equal, yeah, and the height will be this, and this is an attribute, and it has a more attribute in the tag. So reload, save this file and reload this page, and when the picture is loaded, here is the width and height. So thank you for watching and see you later.